Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a curious topic that's likely given all of us a shiver down our spines at some point: why scratching sounds make us feel so uncomfortable. It's a sensation that's hard to ignore, and in this video, we're going to explore the scientific reasons behind this phenomenon. So let's get started. The evolutionary perspective. To understand why scratching sounds can put us on edge, we need to go back in time. Back when our early ancestors were living in the wild, they had to be hyper-aware of their surroundings to survive. The sound of scratching could often indicate the presence of predators or danger lurking nearby. Our brains have evolved to respond to these potentially harmful sounds, triggering a fight or flight response to keep us safe. The neurological explanation. Now, let's delve into the neurological aspect of this discomfort. The auditory system in our brain is intricately connected to other areas responsible for emotions and memories. When we hear scratching sounds, our brain might associate them with negative experiences or distressing memories, intensifying the discomfort we feel. This connection between sound, emotions, and memories can trigger an automatic reaction, making us squirm. Frequency and amplification. The frequency and intensity of scratching sounds also play a crucial role in our discomfort. Most scratching sounds fall within the range of frequencies that our ears are highly sensitive to. These sounds can easily penetrate our attention, causing a heightened awareness that we can't simply tune out. Additionally, some materials can amplify scratching sounds, making them even more unbearable. Mirror neurons and empathy. Another fascinating aspect is our brain's mirror neurons. These neurons fire both when we perform an action and when we observe someone else performing the same action. When we hear scratching sounds, our mirror neurons might simulate the sensation of scratching on our own skin, leading to discomfort. It's like our brain is trying to empathize with the source of the sound, even if it's just an inanimate object. Psychological factors can't be ignored either. Anxiety, stress, or even a heightened state of focus can make us more susceptible to being uncomfortable with scratching sounds. Our emotional state and the environment we're in can amplify our reactions, making a minor irritation feel much worse. So, there you have it, the reasons why scratching sounds can make us feel so uncomfortable. From an evolutionary perspective to the complex interplay of our brain's functions, it's a combination of factors that contribute to this unique sensation. Next time you find yourself cringing at the sound of scratching, remember that it's all rooted in the way our brains have evolved and how they process sensory information. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.